Boom! Right here. These are the Shokz OpenFit, and they're wireless earbuds that provide you an open ear listening experience, and they are so compact and lightweight. There is a right side and a left side, so make sure you identify which side they are like this. So this one is the left side, and the way you wear them is simple. They just hook around your ear like this, and then you're good to go. They sound amazing, but you can still hear your surrounding because they don't cover your ear completely. They're very well balanced. If you see right here, it has a center of gravity right there, and it just keeps it nice and balanced, so very lightweight and comfortable. You have your dual layer of liquid silicone at that tip. When you're wearing them, that's the tip that touches their inside of your ear, so this thing actually molds to your ear as you put pressure on it, so that way it's very comfortable. So lightweight and comfortable dual layer liquid silicone right there, and really good balance, and they don't fall off too. Watch, if I wear both sides like so, and I'm listening to music and I'm working out, they don't fall off. These things are awesome. I can run, I can jump, they don't fall off, right? So these are the Shokz OpenFit. Now, they got the USB-C charging case. So with the charging case, you're looking at 28-hour battery life, but by themselves, they last about 7 hours on a single charge. Really cool, right? If you're out of power, all you need to do is drop it into the case like that, and it'll charge. In just 5 minutes, you get another hour of battery life very quickly, so you can pop them back on and get back into your groove, work out again, and you're good. These are IP54 sweat, rain, water resistance. They're perfect for working out. A little sweat, a little splash of water, a little rain, no problem. They stay on when you're working out. I like them. They also have AI noise cancellation. So even though there's no microphone sticking out, there is a microphone system inside that will help pick up your voice. When people are calling and talking to you, they hear your voice and your voice is amplified, whereas all the noise around you is amplified, so they don't hear the noise around you as much as your voice. Really cool AI technology. The artificial intelligence on this thing is incredible. And speaking of sound quality, these things sound amazing. So right now, I'm opening up my Shokz apps, and it should show you the connection of the OpenFit to my phone. You see right there, there's the OpenFit. You got the battery life indication for each earbud, and you also have the battery life of the case too. You got the EQ modes. You got the standard, the vocal, the bass boost, which I like. You got the treble boost, and you also have your custom EQ. You also have the ability for multi-point pairing. That means that with multi-point pairing, you can pair this OpenFit pair to different devices. For example, your laptop and your phone, and that way you can connect to both. And when you play an audio file or you're listening to something on your computer, you'll hear it through here. And then if your phone rings or you start using your phone and you watch a movie on your phone, then the audio goes back to your phone. It's crazy. Multi-point pairing is a game changer. And then you also got the customized control, because this thing has touch control, but the touch control on this is really good because you don't need to worry about accidentally tapping on it, because the taps are very deliberate. You have your option of tap and hold, and that would go back one track, or tap and hold, and that will go forward one track, or you do a double tap for play or pause. So for example, right now, it's playing the music. If I do a double tap right here, it will stop. See right there? It stopped. Now if I do a double tap again, it will go back to playing. Right there. Really cool, right? Now if I want to go back to the beginning of this track, I can tap and hold. Just like that, and it goes to the beginning of a track. Or I can go to the next track on this ear by tap and hold. There we go. So tap and hold, we'll go to a different track. So very cool options, right? Very easy to use the multi-touch control. So this is the Shokz OpenFit, and by the way, they get really loud, amazing sound quality, and right now I got it at the max volume. It is really, really loud. You want to hear it? Let me show you how they sound right here. So listen to this. They get really loud. Boom! Pretty awesome, right? So these are the Shokz OpenFit. I love them. They sound great. They're perfect for working out, and they are awesome. Whatever you want to use them for, these are the Shokz OpenFit. Oh yeah!